how to fix payment device integrity failed. So if you want to fix your payment device integrity failed, then what you need to do is this error happens if your phone is rooted or bootload is unknown or system files are modified. So let's see the solution. So firstly, you need to open up your settings application. After opening your settings, you need to go with your search, and under search, you need to search for developer options. Once you've searched, you need to tap on the option and then make sure that it is turned on. Once you do that, you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll find an option of USB debugging. Or if you find it hard to scroll, you can go back and then you can search for USB debugging on your settings. And then you'll find the option right here. You need to tap on it and it will take you to the USB debugging section. Now here, you need to just simply go and turn it on. And again, turn it off. Make sure at last you turn it off. And after this, you need to tap on the developer options. You can go all the way to the top and you will find the developer options right here. You need to turn off your developer options. Now, if your problem has been fixed, then it's okay. But if it doesn't, then you need to open up your Play Store and make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You need to go with your search, and from search, you need to go and search for the application, like for example, paytm. After searching, you need to tap on it, and if you have any updates, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating, the problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go and tap and hold on to your paytm application for a few seconds, and then you will get the app info option. Tap on the app info, scroll down a bit and then go with storage and cache and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.